Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorial number 6 DC motor control. Just open the code from Pratham folder. So this is a code, all the connections are given. DC motor PWM, DC motor control on 2 direction pins and 2 PWM pins. So these are the pins and these are the subroutines that we have written for motor setup, motor forward, motor reverse, left and right and stop. So one by one we'll call them in a main loop. This is a setup in which we are setting all the pins. This is a loop, so in which we are calling each function for one delay, a specific delay. Thank you. So power up your board. First, these are the two connections for motor 1 and motor 2. You can connect N20 micro gear motor or BO DC motor, toy DC motor. Both are compatible with this board. But if you want to connect higher rating motors, higher torque motors, then you need external driver for that reason. So connect down the auto connections. So once you connect two motors, just switch on the pins. So both the motors will run simultaneously. Forward, then left motor, then right motor, then reverse, in this fashion. So this is what all about the DC motors. If you have any query, you can comment below. Thank you.